Faiza, a young Muslim girl, is sitting on a couch, engrossed in a book. Her mother, Mrs. Ahmed, enters the room. Mrs. Ahmed, Faiza, it's time to go to the mosque for evening prayer. Faiza, looking up from her book. Okay, Mom, let me just finish this chapter. Faiza and her mother arrive at the mosque. They take off their shoes and enter the prayer hall. The prayer hall is filled with people praying. Faiza and her mother find a spot and join the congregation. Faiza, whispering to her mother, Mom, can I have some money to donate in the charity box? Mrs. Ahmed, smiling. Of course, Faiza. Here's a coin. Faiza takes the coin from her mother and walks towards the charity box. Faiza approaches the charity box, which is adorned with beautiful calligraphy. She carefully drops the coin into the box and says a silent prayer. Whispering, may this charity help those in need. As she turns to leave, Faiza notices a shiny gold coin on the floor. Faiza, excited. Oh, someone must have dropped this coin by mistake. I should return it. Faiza, excited. Oh, someone must have dropped this coin by mistake. I should return it. Faiza picks up the gold coin and looks around for its owner. Faiza scans the prayer hall, trying to find the person who dropped the gold coin. She notices an elderly man sitting alone, looking worried. Faiza, approaching the elderly man. Excuse me, sir, did you drop this gold coin? Elderly man, surprised. Oh, yes, that's mine. Thank you, young girl. You've saved me from a great loss. Faiza, smiling. You're welcome, sir. It's important to be honest and help others. Faiza returns to the charity box and places the gold coin inside. Faiza, whispering, may this charity bring blessings to those in need, just as it saved the elderly man from loss. Faiza walks back to her mother, feeling content and fulfilled. Faiza and her mother leave the mosque, heading back home. Faiza, turning to her mother, Mom, I learned an important lesson today. Honesty and helping others are truly rewarding. Mrs. Ahmed, smiling proudly. That's wonderful, Faiza. Always remember that kindness and integrity are the essence of our faith. They walk hand in hand, cherishing the values they hold dear.